How to add a circle in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and visit acrobat.adobe.com. Log in with your Adobe account. Click on All Tools from the top menu. Scroll down and click Add Comments. Upload the PDF where you want to add the circle. The PDF will open with the comment toolbar on the left. Look for the section that says Fill in the form fields or hover to find it. In the drop-down, select Circle. Now, go to the area you want to circle. Click and drag your mouse to draw a circle around the text or object. Click on the circle to select it. You can change the color or increase the size from the pop-up menu. You can resize or move the circle anytime. And that's how you add a circle in Acrobat Web. Easy, right? If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.